Give me one last dance before we hit the ground. Push me into overdrive, what a lovely way to die. If you're with me by my side, I'm in for the ride. Come on.
Follow the sultry sound of my voice. No peeking.
Mike.
And open them. Ta-da! What do you think?
What was wrong with your old car?
Three little words, Sully. Six-wheel drive. Come on, get in, get in, get in. It's adjustable. Will you cut it out? It's like we've released a panther. What? What? Oh! Don't just sit there. Push the button.
I'll get it. Whoa, sorry. Hello?
Push the button! Don't touch anything. I'll do it. Get out of the car, please.
Huh?
Get out, out!
Hey,
Get out of my
Mike.
car!
That's weird. The airbag didn't go off.
I miss my old car.
I got that adrenaline in 'em, not knowing when I'm ever gonna slow up in 'em, ready to snap any momentum, thinking it's time.